It's a wild world out there. Are you prepared to battle the elements, or are you going to bring your pretty little suitcase and blow dryer and beg for mercy?
It's not a suitcase.
Excuse me, you're interrupting my thing?
It's not a suitcase. It's EcoFlow GLACIER, a 3-in-1 portable fridge.
It's not a suitcase. Big deal. Nature isn't just about the essentials. I'm sorry, we're in the middle of nowhere and you're eating ice cream? Wait, what are you doing? Is that thing a freezer or a fridge?
Yes.
All right, you got snacks, I'll give you that. But what are you going to do at the end of a grueling hike and there's no one to sell you your precious bottled water? But come on, ice cubes?
1 or 2.
You think you have all the answers, don't you?
Are you talking to us?
You're 40 hours away from home, and that thing isn't plugged in.
It doesn't need to be plugged in.
Everything needs to be plugged in.
It's called a battery.
You're called a battery.
That doesn't make sense.
Welcome to my world.
Shh.
Who just shushed me?
You're ruining the vibe.
Ruining the vibe? I'm having an existential crisis? Wow, it is quiet. And it uses the sun?
It also charges your devices so you'll never be stranded.
It's amazing.
Say it again.
This is amazing. Anyway, like I was saying, are you prepared to battle the elements? Or are you going to be like me and my new best friend and tame the elements?
Just so we're clear, we showed you the way.
No way. I did it myself.
Pretty sure we did.
Nope, did it by myself. Nature is awesome. The all-new EcoFlow GLACIER. Get chillin', get moving.